Welcome to Sprightly Kid, and today I'm going to be painting on Kawaii Squishies again. So let's get started. So these are the Squishies I'm going to be painting today. So first I have this panda, and I also have this bunny, I don't know. We're just gonna have to get creative with this. So let's get started with the painting. So starting with this panda, I'm actually not gonna put on a white base coat on this because it is kind of white. So I'm just gonna move on right to the details. So I'm gonna start by painting the little panda's inner ears with the black. And I'll show you when it's done. So now that the black inner ears are done, I'm gonna move on to the face on the panda. So I'm gonna be using the stickers again for the face, and I'm gonna put it on the squishy. And this is the face, and I'll show you when the stickers peeled off. So now that the face is on here, I'm gonna let the black ears to dry. So now, while the panda is drying, I'm gonna move on to this thing. So I decided to make it as a dog. So I decided to paint this in a nice light brown color. And I'll show you when it's done. And now time to let this thing to dry. So now that this panda is all done, I'm gonna attach the keychain, oh my gosh, the keychain strap to it. Wait, and there we go, it's finished. So back to this squishy. Now that the whole thing is brown, and I also painted the back off camera, I'm going in with more of a lighter brown, and I'm going to start painting the ears with it. I mean the inner ears with it. So now that the, oh my gosh, now that the inner ears are done, I'm going to start working on the, oh my gosh, the face. So, I'm gonna start by painting the nose, and I'll show you when the rest of the face is done. So now time to let this to dry. So now that this dog squishy is all done, I'm gonna attach the keychain strap to it, and there, it's finished. So this is the finished result of my kawaii painting squishies. I really like them a lot. I like the panda bear, even though it is kind of basic. The body, if this had a body, it would be even more interesting. This is the face of it. I'm glad I used the sticker again. And I like how the black, I like how the inner ears are black. I don't know if that's correct, but oh well, it's just imagination. And next is my little puppy character, which I like even more. And before I started filming this, I came up with a name for it, and I call it the caramel puppy because the color of it reminds me of caramel and squish. And I like how I painted the face on this one. There were two reasons I painted on the face. Number one was because when I saw this squishy, there was already an imprint for a face. Number two, I thought it would be cute to have its own face. So I'm gonna squish them, and also the panda. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid. Okay. I'm
know you're cute, but you sometimes have to be quiet. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and remember to be cute and creative. Bye!